Good morning, students. Welcome to Source Code Learning Session for Grade 2. Source Code is one of the leading names helps students in their life goals through schooling, sports, and life skills. Today, I am going to take your English class. So, we have completed the chapter, The Little Plant. Today, we will do the exercise from book, Nouns, Simple Past Tense, Simple Present Tense. So, let's begin. So, it was your poem, The Little Plant, by Kate Lewis Brown. In the heart of a seed, buried deep so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. So you have to complete your exercise in your copy. First one is true and false. You have to write down T for true and false, F for false in this box. Here there are two questions. What is the title of the poem? So what is the meaning of title? Title means the name of the poem. And next one is the name of the poet. Second question is grammar. Grammar part here it is noun. So do the exercise in your copy of noun. What is noun? Words that name person, things, animals, places are called naming words or nouns. Let's see something about nouns. We know the naming words. We call every person or animals or birds or things with the particular names. So those names are naming words. Example, boy, girl, man, postman, milkman, tiger, lion, Delhi, India, teddy bear, toys, etc. Everything all around us are noun. Like name of things like teddy, pencil, eraser, shape, toy, chair, table, fan, chalk, duster, book, pen, everything. Everything are noun. Name of places like museum, school, garden, Kolkata, West Bengal, Delhi, Mumbai, London, Paris. All the name of the places are called noun. Name of persons like father, mother, sister, teacher, postman, milkman, etc. These are persons' name. These are noun. Name of the animals like cat, rat, bat, tiger, elephant, horse. These are also name of animals. These are noun. Name of birds. Similarly, parrot, crow, chicken, sparrow. Those are also name of birds. So these are also nouns. There are three types of noun: proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. Let's see nouns. Everything around us has a name. People, animal, places, things, they all have names. These are nouns. Nouns are also called naming words, as you know. Mother, father, cow, pig, table, book, school. These are naming words. Where are you sitting now? On a chair? So, whenever I will tell you a chair, bring a chair, this picture will come to your mind. So it doesn't have life. It can't eat food, it can't drink, it can't move, it can't move itself. You have to move it. So it doesn't have life. But its name is chair. Whenever I will ask you for a chair, you will bring a chair, only chair, not a table. So it is its name. So this is the naming word. So this means it is noun. Right now, what can you see in your room? Call out their names. Those are naming words. Like I can see bag, clock, ball, globe, table, chair, book, and computer. I'm using computer to teach you. So these are also name of these things. So these all are noun. Here you can see a picture of our teacher. So teacher is the naming word of a person. Whenever you read the word teacher, you know that this is the person who helps you in study at school. So it's a naming word. Whenever anyone will tell you the word teacher, this picture will come to your mind that this person is teaching us in school. So this is the name of this person who is a teacher. This is also noun. In a similar way, many people help us in our day-to-day life. We know them by their profession name, like farmer who grows vegetables for us. So we call him farmer. Who cook food in restaurants. We call them chef. Who draw pictures, who paint. We call him artist. Like that, we have so many society helpers. Their names soldiers, gardeners, tailors, bakers. Which animals you can see around you or in a zoo? You know all of their names? Those names are naming word or nouns. Like you can see cat, dog. These are the naming word of these animals. You can see elephant, fox, tiger, gorilla, deer, giraffe, rhinoceros in zoo. These are naming word of those zoo animals. These all are nouns. So in the similar way, places are also naming words. Where are you right now? At home? Where do you go for study? In school? Right. So these are the name of those places. So these are also nouns like city name, Paris, or your home, park where you go to play, or China, a country name, America, sea beach, stadium. Everything is place's name, a place name. So these are also naming words or nouns, naming words for places. These are their common names. So this is called common nouns like things, chair, pen, person, driver, teacher, animal, cat, dog, places, school, home. These are their common names. If in places, if I am telling about a city name like Bangalore, this will be the particular name. That is proper noun. Now general name, common noun, like person, place, animal, thing. Like a sentence, let's suppose this clown. He is a clown. General name for a person. This is the general name for this person. He is a clown. This is a common noun. Common noun for this person, clown. Let's see. General name for place. They live in a city. So I'm not telling about any particular city name. So this is a common name for a place. It is his dog. I don't know the name of this dog. I'm not telling about the name of this dog. So general name for the animal. This particular animal is dog. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of our title. So we will not write down with capital letter, and if it is starting with the if this is starting with the sentence is starting with common noun, then only we will use capital letter. Special names, these are called proper nouns. This is the other part of nouns. People, places, pets, days, months, organization, everything. These are proper nouns. Like the same picture of the clown. His name is John. I'm telling a sentence about John. That is, John the clown entertains people in a circus. So I know the name of this clown. His name is John. So right now, in this sentence, John the clown. So John is the special name of the clown. So this is the proper noun, John. And the clown, this is common noun. His dog's name is Pluto. The same dog, his name is Pluto. So the Pluto is the special name of the dog. So that's why Pluto is special name, proper noun. Live in Mumbai. Now I'm telling about the city name. This is the special name of city. So Mumbai is proper noun. So how now you can understand, we can tell proper name of a person, proper name of an animal, and proper name of city, or a proper name of an object. So these are proper nouns. So this is your exercise page, grammar. Nouns, common nouns. Words that name person, things, animals, and places are called naming words or nouns. Read the following words. Persons, like boy, teacher, mother. Things, car, milk, banana. Animals, lion, eagle, parrot. Places, bedroom, town, playground. All the above words are common nouns. They are names of persons, things, animals, or places of the same kind. They begin with a small letter. Now C1. Choose words from the box and write them on page 4 under the correct headings. Let's see. You have to do it in your copy. You have to make a list of person, thing, animal, and places. You have to find out person from here, things from here, animals from here, and places, and you have to write a list of these. Now C2. Underline the common nouns in the following sentences. Common nouns means common name of animal, common name of things, places, or person, like mother, father, peacock, tiger, things like pencil, pen, chalk, bag, places like city, country, school, not a particular name of the school, not a particular name of a city. So these are common nouns. This is descriptive writing. You have to write. Here, see the proper sequences. Read the following. Firstly, Hemant brushes his teeth. Next, he had a bath. Then he put on his school uniform and his shoes. Finally, he combed his hair. Firstly, next, then, and finally. Tell us about the sequence of Hemant's action, what he is doing from first to last. So read the following jumbled sentences. Rewrite them using firstly, next, then, and finally. First, you have to rewrite the sentence with the proper how you see the action, and rewrite it here. I will open my napkin and put it on my lap. This will be the first sentence. Now match the words in column A with their opposite in column B. Then write the correct opposite in front of each word in column A. Inside, first is written over here, inside, outside. This is the opposite word. Awake, you know the opposite word of awake, that is asleep. Like that, you have to write down these opposite words. Now, E. Listening and speaking. Each of the following sets has rhyming words. They have the same sound at the end of the words. Say the words after your teacher. Like king, you have to say king. Ring, wing, filling, fling. Fame, same, game, blame. Fly, tie, sigh, cry. Chair, mare, care, mare. So these are rhyming words. Sound and spelling. Silent E, where we are not pronouncing E. This is called silent E. In some words, a letter or some letters are silent. In the following words, E is silent, like game. What is the sound of E? A, right? So here we are not pronouncing A. G-A-M-E. So if we will pronounce E, then it will be game. But no, we are not pronouncing E. So the pronunciation will be game. G-A-M-E. E is silent here. Prize, P-R-I-Z-E. H-O-P-E, hope, hope. E is silent here. Like this, dove, noise, ride, ride, face, cane, lace, kite, fierce. So read the little planet again. Little plant again. Write 6 words which end in a silent E. You have to write the words. And the activity, you have to plant a seed in a small pot and show me the picture. And you have to put water every day. And in 3-4 days, you will see the germination. And you have to send me picture after 3-4 days. Now, tense of verb. Verb tense. A verb tells about an action, while a tense tells about the time. Verb is the action word, right? And tense, what is tense? After seeing the verb, we can understand which time it happened. Thus, the tense of a verb tells us when, in time, an action occurred. There are 3 simple verb tense: simple present, simple past, simple future. So see the sentence, my sister needs a sweater. This is present tense. My sister knitted a sweater. She knitted, she is not knitting right now. So she has done that work. So this is past tense. Knitted. We added ed. My sister will knit a sweater. She will do this job afterwards. So this is future. Now take a look at all of these sentences. Think about the time which these sentences refers to. Simple present and past tense. Verbs indicates the time of an action, whether it is happening or happened. In your exercise, you will see the words like rise, body, say, hear, lie, meaning. You have to write down the past form of the sentence. It is already in the poem. Poet uses past form of the sentences. Here you can see the present form of the words. So you have to find out the past form of these words. Right, like rise will be rose. That's why we are studying verb. The simple present tense looks like the base verb. What is base verb? Like play, sing, dance, carry, write, read. These are base verb. So in simple present tense, we will add only s or es or ies when it is third person singular number. Who are third person singular number? He, she, or it. If the subject is he, she, or it, then only we add s, es, or ies after the verb. If we are using he, if subject is he, then we will write he plays cricket. P-L-A-Y-A-S. Only S. Like that. See the sentence. I do. Here I do. Do is the base verb. He does. Do is the base verb. And es we added after do. When it is third person singular number. He is third person singular number. That's why we added es. But I is first person. That's why we kept the base verb as it is. Now second person. Second person is you. Here base verb is carry. You carry the load. When we are using third person, the subject is third person like she or he, then it will be she carries the load. Here we added IES. I told you before, IES. So it will be she carries the load. It is the present form. The simple present tense is used to indicate the following regular action. The government shoes. Current situation. I am unwell. Right now I am unwell. Some habits like he goes for a work every day. Now let's see past tense. The simple past tense is formed when we add the suffix ed to the base verb. There we added s, es or ies. Here we will add ed, like the children jumped, J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped into the river. Here we added ed, ed is the suffix. The simple past tense shows an action that happened in the past and is over now. Right now it is over. The work has done. He walked in Dubai last year. He exercised every day. This is past now. This is a past habit. Not now. It is not happening right now. He did it. He ran last night. Here, some irregular verbs are there where we don't add ed. They take some different form. Like RU and run, it will be ran, R-A-N, ran in past form. So he ran last night means that work has done. He is not running right now. This is the past tense. So in that way, you have to do your homework, your exercise here. So it was your today's session. Thank you so much, students.